Hello, today we will guide you through how to withdraw from Axiom Trade. To get started, open Axiom Trade and make sure you are on the Discover page. This is the main area shown in the walkthrough, and it's where you can access the wallet options needed for withdrawal. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until everything is fully visible before continuing. That helps avoid clicking the wrong menu or missing an option. Once you're on the Discover screen, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll want to find the Wallet section there. This area is important because it gives you access to your account balance and the controls for moving funds. If your screen looks slightly different, take a second to scan the upper right side carefully, since layouts can sometimes vary a little depending on your device or browser window size. After you locate the wallet, click on it to open the Wallet menu. This should bring up the available wallet actions and account-related options. Opening this menu is the key step that leads you to the Withdrawal feature. From that menu, click on Withdraw. This will open the withdrawal interface where you can choose how much you want to move and where the transactions should be processed. Before entering anything, it's a good idea to review the screen so you understand the fields that need to be completed. Next, enter the amount you want to withdraw. In the example, a sample amount is entered, but you should type the amount that fits your own transaction. Be careful when entering this number and double-check it before moving on. Even a small typo can affect the withdrawal request, so taking an extra moment here is worth it. After that, select the chain for the withdrawal. Choose the appropriate chain from the available options shown on screen. This step matters because the chain determines how the transfer will be handled. Make sure the chain you select matches your intended destination or withdrawal setup, so the process continues smoothly. Once the amount and chain have been selected, continue by following the on-screen procedure. Axiom Trade may show additional prompts, confirmations, or transaction details that need your attention before the withdrawal is completed. Read each prompt carefully, review the information shown, and proceed only when everything looks correct. And that's it. Those are the steps to withdraw from Axiom Trade. As a final tip, always review the amount and selected chain one last time before confirming, since accuracy is especially important when moving funds. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide made the process simple and clear.